Okay, so do you know what is our today's session is?
Right?
Sorry?
Kids.
Kids, yes.
Drawing kids illustration, right?
Yes, yes, yes. And
Yes, yes, ma'am.
for our session, we are going to learn 5 years old. Understand the
Okay, ma'am.
portion of 5 years old. Okay, so I am
Okay,
going to,
ma'am.
yeah, I'm going to
Okay.
explain you how it works, how the proportion works. That's going to be the first part of the session. And the second
Okay.
part of the session, what we are going to do is we are
Okay.
going to go through what all the measurements what we have done so far, 9 to 9.5 to 10 to 10.5, 12 to
Okay.
12.5, and whatever doubts you have, I'm going to clear that today.
Okay.
First of all, in first session, let's understand how to make
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
kids front and back. Okay, so first we'll be doing the mechanical and then we'll
Okay.
do the fleshing out. So
Okay.
start with the mechanical. I am drawing
Okay.
my first lines starting from my top 1 inch down. So I'm actually making my guidelines, and then later I will join the guidelines and then I'll start with my illustration, the drawing. So I've got this 1 inch from top. This is going to be my title. Here it's going to be my title. This is another 1 inch from top. Yeah. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to divide this paper, this entire paper into half, because I'm making 5 heads. 5 heads means total 5 inches. Do you know? I'm sure you are aware about that. So I'm dividing this into half. So 16 and a half. Here, yeah. So I've got two segments. Now, as we have to make 5 heads, first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to title it. 5 head kid. And I'm going to further divide this into another half. And I'm going to title here. This side I'm going to do mechanical. This is fleshing. And here also I will do this half part. Hold on a sec. You will understand this structure. Just give me a second. What I'm doing is usually what we do, we have mechanical one side, one paper. We have mechanical front, one paper, mechanical back on the same paper, and then we have fleshed out front and fleshed out back on another paper. But the skits one, oh, there is Seemaji is here. But for this skits one, we are going to have everything on one paper. Let's Seemaji join. Okay, here you go. Okay, Seemaji, hello.
Yes,
Hello. How are you, सीमा जी?
fine, fine.
आज लेट हो गया आपको ज्वाइन
What
करने के
about
लिए?
you?
आई एम गुड थैंक यू.
या मैं ट्राई कर रही थी. ओके, मैं ट्राई कर रही थी बट शायद ज्वाइन नहीं. 5 मिनट से मैं ट्राई कर रही थी. अभी आपको मैसेज करने वाली थी. बाय दैट
हाँ.
टाइम आई जॉइन.
Okay, no problem.
ओके.
So, just to recap, we are studying today 5 head kits. So इसमें हाँ मैंने ये
Okay.
ऐसे sections बनाए हैं. The reason I made this because one side I'm going to make mechanical and mechanical front and mechanical back. Here I'll be making mechanical fleshed out and front fleshed out back. I'm going to title, you will understand.
Okay. It's blur, ma'am. Vishali, ma'am. It's blur, right?
I
Make
think
it
it will be
clear,
clear.
na?
Ma'am, can you please mention the measurements on the paper?
Oh yeah, on this I
It's
will.
little easy to understand.
Yes, I'll mention it. Is it still blurred?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Little.
exact lines are same. It's not that clear.
Okay. Hold on a second. Probably I'll change the Wi-Fi. Hold on a second.
Yeah.
Have you guys practiced those all the sizes? Because today in the second session we are going to do all that.
What?
Sizes 9, 9.5, 10, 10.5. By now you should be
Okay,
very
yeah.
good in
Only
making all that. Because
yeah. Till 10.5, I'm clear, but 12 and 12.5, actually, I haven't tried also. So in that,
yeah,
still a
because
bit confusion is
everybody,
there.
yes, because everybody missed that session.
Missed
So
the station.
yes,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
like as per the rules, we cannot repeat it. So, but still, today five head is not going to take much of the
Yeah,
time. So, what I have decided that the second session we
yeah.
will be solving all the problems. So, whatever the problems you have, we will be solving that.
Ma'am, can I ask you one?
What?
That day we are in between that session is over, na? Because about we are in that 12.5 headed figure.
Okay. We will get.
Whenever you are free, can you please explain that?
Okay. So let's finish this
Okay,
first,
na?
and then we will go for that.
Okay.
Mechanical back, mechanical front.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, we are doing kids mechanical front
Okay, ma'am.
in the front side and the mechanical back side. You know what is mechanical, right? Mechanical means the structure,
Yeah.
the proportion. And here in this segment, we are going to understand the fleshed front, and we are doing it for 5 years old kid. And here we'll be doing fleshed back. All right. Now, understand one thing. So as I said, this is 5 head. 5 head means कितने इंच होता है 5 head means?
5 inches.
Yes. So I'm going to draw 5 inches lines from both the sides so that you will know what I'm doing. I'm taking it from top only. 5 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to draw the lines. Oops. Here I've corrected the lines. Connected. Okay, now understand the kit figure is there is we are not going to add big measurements like 1 inch both the sides and 3/4 the other sides. We are majorly going to work into the centimeters. You'll get to know how we are going to work out. 1, 2, 3. Down from here. Down also I'm making the mark so that we can continue. Till what time is your college, Lakshmi?
Actually, till 2 o'clock, ma'am. But today only we have pending work. That draping classes.
Oh, how is the dripping class going?
That's why we stay here only, ma'am.
Oh, good, good, good,
Yes, it's fine, ma'am.
good, good.
Hmm. This draping class, ma'am, is like you only same.
Good, no?
She is also from North India.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just removing my extra space so that you will know what is till where is the 5 head. I'm going to make a mark here. This is my 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is my 5. So I don't need this space. I'm raising it off. I'm hoping to make some healthy boy. Let's see how I make the healthy boy. Any of you here as a designer, um, any of you here as a designer is interested in doing the specialization into the kids wear? What is your area of interest? सीमा जी आपका area of interest क्या है?
What, ma'am? What?
I didn't get you, ma'am. What did you ask actually?
What is your area of interest as in women's wear, men's wear, kids wear? आपको क्या पसंद है ज़्यादा?
Okay.
I'm interested in everything, ma'am. I want to learn everything actually.
Okay. And सीमा जी आप?
वेस्टर्न ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है मेरे को. I mean Indian, fancy Indian, but still I am interested in Western looks.
No, no, no. What ma'am asking is, Seemaji, are you interested to learn in a man's figure like that only, right, Vrishali ma'am?
Yes, 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 yes. My question
I
was,
want to learn everything from you.
yeah. My question was, what is your
Actually,
area?
if you are perfect in male, female, and kids,
Yeah.
what is your?
It is my question was, what is your
What
area
ma'am?
of
What ma'am? Can you
interest?
please?
Uh, when somebody asks you in a designing field, what is your area of interest? Means what is your specialization? What makes you like for the
Okay.
designing? What would you prefer to make? Male, female, or kids wear? So, anyways, we'll talk about that later. Let's
I
focus
want
here.
to. I'm ready to prepare anything.
We'll figure that out. Now, look at here. So, I've got my entire plan out. The plan is ready. Now, what I have to do is I have to fill it. I'll repeat again. We are going to make 5 head kids. 5 head is 5 years old. 5 years old boy or kid. In this, we are going to make mechanical front, mechanical back. After making this skeleton, this whatever proportions we find, we are going to repeat the proportion here. So this will be a revision to you. And on this, I will show you how to flesh it out. Okay. So let's get started. The very first thing we need to find out is the chin. So as we all know, chin is this point. The 0, 1 is the chin. So I'm going to write here chin. But remember one thing, chin and shoulder, छोटे बच्चों को जो necklines होते हैं वो chin को लग के ही होते हैं. So we are going to write here chin and neckline. I'm going to write with the sketch pen. Chin and neckline.
Chin and neckline दोनों same place पे होती है क्या?
सेम ही होते. छोटे बच्चों का देखा है आपने, उनके नेक कैसे बड़े नहीं होते, छोटे होते हैं.
Okay.
While drawing I will explain you what does that mean. तो अभी chin and neckline 1 पे आ गया. Now we
Yeah.
have to find out our shoulder. So now remember the shoulder is on 1/4. So it's one. I'll add 1/4 inches down from my 1 inches. 1/4. Usually क्या होता है
It's
women's
inches measurement only, right?
sorry
Inches थी ना?
इंचेस
आप
अभी
या
फिलहाल inches
सेंटीमीटर्स?
है। नहीं अभी ये सब इंचेस है, जहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर होगा वो मैं बताऊंगी।
Okay,
ये सारा इंचेस में होगा अभी।
okay.
Don't worry, I will specify everything. So we got our
Okay,
this
okay.
dotted line is our shoulder line. So I'm going to write just touching this shoulder. All right, this is one. Chin and neckline is one, and then we have our shoulder line. Now the next thing what we are going to find out is our kid's chest. So number 2 is chest. The center of the body is the waistline. So center of the body means the body is total of 5 heads, 5 inches. So center comes on 2.5.
2.5.
Yes. Okay. So here I have got my waist. That is on 2.5. So see the sequence. I've got my 2, that is chest. I got my 2.5, that is waist. Shoulder I'm writing here 1/4 so that you can refer the measurements here. These all measurements are in inches. Waist is 2.5. Immediately after waist what we get is the crotch line. ये बच्चे की crotch line होती है. And ये जो बीच का part होता है that goes under hip, which we are going to curve while making the fleshing out. So we found our crotch line, and the last one is the floor length. That is number 5. अभी इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें directly we are going to mark our knee, which is between 3 and 5, which is between crotch and floor length के बीच में इनका knee आता है बच्चों का. So I am going to write knee on number 4. Okay, right now you just see it, don't get confused because इसमें और women के measurement में थोड़ा सा फर्क है. First you see it and then we'll clarify all your questions. So abhi what I'm going to do is, first thing I found on one is chin and neckline, shoulder is 1/4, my chest is on number 2, waist is on number 2.5, crotch is on number 3, knee is on 4, and floor length is on 5. All the numbers have been covered. Now my next task is to make to get the from the center point we have to go out on certain measurements in order to get the proportion. तो अभी इसमें क्या होता है ना, now we will start calculating in centimeters क्योंकि there is no much space to calculate in inches. ये because this is a small size, so we will be calculating in centimeters. So in order to do that, what first thing what we are going to do is we are going to calculate the shoulder. तो shoulder पे हमें क्या करना है, from this shoulder center we have to go out both the sides by 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeter one side, 2 centimeter other side. I'm going to write it here. 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. Okay. Then from the chest, अभी आपने जो बच्चे का जो भी शेप होता है बॉडी का, इट इज ऑलवेज काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेट. बच्चों को कोई शेप नहीं होता, ना ही आवर ग्लास होता है, ना ही मेल की तरह मैस्कुलाइन होता है. बच्चे का शेप हमेशा स्ट्रेट होता है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू इज we are going to go out on the chest 1.5 centimeters one side, 1.5 centimeter other side. Same thing for the waist also, 1.5 centimeters one side, 1.5 centimeter other side. So I hope our Ridvik is here. Okay, so I hope this point is clear. 1.5 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters, same for the waist also. So chest and waist flows same for the kids. Now अभी hip में कैसे होता है ना, for the hips usually उनका अगर even though it's a straight body, they are quite bulky around their hip area, around their waist area. मतलब from hip and cross they are quite bulky. So to add that bulk, we are going to go little bit more out than 1.5. So here I'm going to go out by 1.8 centimeters. So which is between 1.5 and 2 centimeters. 1.8, do you know how to calculate 1.8? 1 centimeter, 1.5 और उसके आगे 3 lines. I'm going to write it, you will see. 1.8 centimeters. That's it. Now, I will take a approx half of this too. जैसे हमने मेल के लिए किया था, हमने इसका हाफ लेके हमने स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ की थी, and that straight line directly landed on the floor length. Similarly, straight line will directly land onto the floor length. So now यहाँ पे ये है मेरा बच्चे का, in this part crotch to floor length I will have his legs, और ये जो सेंटर है यहाँ पे बच्चे का आएगा knee. So what I have to do is, from this floor length I will go approximately, let's say in centimeters I will count 0.5 centimeter up, 0.5 centimeter up. So now remember, you don't have to get confused very first thing कि ये 0.5 centimeter, 1.8 centimeter, no need to get confused. These are just a standard measurement to understand. आप जब इसको करने जाओगे तो आप अपने आप उसको you will be able to form it. 1.5 centimeters I have marked here. So from here also I will go out approx 1.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Now I'm going to join this point, so you'll get to know. Here I've got my points. I'm just joining them. First I'll make the shape of the kid's head.
Ma'am, crotch also 1.5
What?
centimeters, right?
What?
Crotch also 1.8, 1.5 centimeters or 1.8?
Which one? This one, crotch 1.8 centimeters.
Okay, ma'am.
Making the face, the बच्चे का face ऐसा थोड़ा सा, he's got cheeks, so we make like little like this one, like this shape you see, it is more different than female and male. So बच्चे का shape आप ऐसे बनाते हो. I will be anyway sharing the picture so you'll get to know. So now to find out the position of the neckline, हमें क्या करना है? When I say that chin and the neckline is on the same line, means ये जो space होती है ना आपकी, this is between, this is your chin line, neckline is same. यही से हम ऊपर चलते हैं. So half centimeter this side, half centimeter this side. So we are going to mark the straight line. Get it? हमने कैसे neck find out की? अभी यही point से, from the chin point only, we are going to join 2 centimeter here, where we have already marked, and this neckline to here. Similarly, we are going to join these points also. I'm just joining the points. Whatever points I've got through the measurements, I'm joining that. And for kids, there is no set measurement ki we have to go 1 inch up from, or certain inches up from the floor length. We have to go approximately up from the floor length. So anyways, I will show you how that works. But the same thing is, the same one thing for kids is, their wrist is on the crotch. अभी यहाँ पे how to find out the armhole, यहाँ पे कैसे कौन सा आप join करोगे? You will not join it from the chest point. You are going to join it between the shoulder and the chest, whatever point you get. It is around 2 centimeters. I'm getting 1 centimeter point, which is coming. This is my 1 centimeter line. So I'm going to draw the line. and I've got this point, so I will join this point here, like this. Similarly, for this side also, I got this point here. So this is the fleshed version. This is the, sorry, mechanical version of the kids. So now we are going to flesh this out. So this is the crotch point जो kids का होता है, and that's it. This is the version. So अभी इसको हम जब flesh करेंगे, इसको
वैशाली
कैसे flesh? Yeah. Ask me. Yes, tell me, sir.
हेड जो है बेबी का
हाँ
वो एज इट इज मतलब 1 इंच की इसी में होता है ना?
हाँ 1 इंच में ही होता है. हेड कंप्लीट 1 इंच में होता है.
देन इसको छोटा बनाना है क्या हमें? आई मीन वो यूजुअली अपने जो पहले इतने दिन से कर रहे थे.
हाँ
तो अब इसको
अभी आप
छोटा
क्या
कैसे
करोगे?
बनाना है? इसको
नहीं
रिड्यूस करना है?
नहीं, इसको 1 हेड में ही बिठाना है. इसके बाल नीचे आ जाते हैं. मतलब देखो कैसे होता है, यूजुअली जो हम 1 इंच का फीमेल का बनाते हैं ना, जो फीमेल का बनता है, इन दैट when we learn the facial placements
Yeah.
of the eyes and nose, तो फीमेल के इसमें क्या होता है, जो फीमेल का टोटल हेड साइज होता है उसके सेंटर में फीमेल के आईज आते हैं, सेंटर में. लेकिन किड्स में क्या होता है, अभी ये जो मैंने बनाया है ना, इसमें सेंटर में आईज नहीं आएंगे, आईज और नीचे जाते हैं, ऊपर बाल आते हैं. सो दिस कवर्स कंप्लीटली विद द हेयर. सो ये आप फेशियल फीचर्स में सीखोगे कि कैसे
Okay.
मैनिपुलेट होता है. मैं इसमें आपको दिखा, आई विल ट्राई टू मेक द फेस हियर सो दैट यू विल सी. नाउ हियर आई एम मेकिंग द सेम. whatever I whoever has missed this measurements, they can again do the revision here, because I'm making the fleshing same thing here, copy paste, and then I'm going to flesh it out. ठीक है. So again I will repeat.
Okay.
First of all,
The broad, sorry, the broadness will also be the same. Like when we were doing female face, the broadness was 1 centimeter, 1 inch this side, 1 inch this side.
yeah
Right.
1 centimeter.
For
1
kids,
centimeter.
broadness
For female
1
it's 1
centimeter.
centimeters,
Okay.
not 1 inch. Yeah. So
Oh,
here,
sorry. Yeah. Then for
yeah. Ask me. Ask. Say.
kids also 1 centimeter only.
Yes. Kids also 1
Broadness of
centimeter. We can take 1 centimeter only.
Okay.
किड्स के भी फेसेस बड़े बड़े होते हैं ना बच्चों के, उसको हम थोड़ा सा कर्व करके इनसाइड ले लेते हैं, जैसे ये मैंने किया है. I have not done it total broad. I have taken it inside. These curves are inside. ये जो बनेगा ना,
Okay.
तब आप समझोगे. So this is the revision again. Your first 0 to 1 is chin line and the neckline. 1/4 is shoulder, and then after shoulder I find my chest line, which is on number 2. Ridvik, you joined late, so you can actually refer this. Number 2 is chest, number 3 is your crotch, but between chest and the crotch 2.5, that is the center of the body, center of kid's body, that is 2.5. we have our क्या है 2.5 पे?
Chest. Sorry, waist.
Yes, waist. Okay. So I'm going to write here waist 2.5. This is 1/4. Now after crotch, this is the floor length, and this is the knee. Now I'm quickly going to draw the structure what I have drawn here. Same thing, copy paste here. So from my shoulders, I go out. My all measurements are in centimeters while measuring for the center. So from shoulders, I'm going to go out by 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. From chest, I'm going to go out by 1.5 centimeters. Remember, chest, waist measurements remain the same. Just for the crotch, we are going to add little more centimeters, because the boys are like, what do you call those boys, nicely in shape they are, cute little boys जो होते हैं, बल्कि होते हैं, उनके hips के curves के काफी bulges होते हैं. So we are going to show those bulges. From the crotch I've gone out by 1.8 centimeters. 1.8 centimeters. I'll make a half approximate. I'll draw a straight line, which is the bone line. From this bone line, from the floor length, I'm going to go up by 1/4, let's say 1/4 centimeters. You can go up for the ankle. That will give you the ease. आपको easily हो जाएगा. फिर मैं इसमें 1/4 inch, 1/4 centimeters I've gone up for the ankle. तो आपको आसान हो जाएगा. And from ankle both the sides I'm going to go out by 0.5 centimeters. जैसे हम sorry, this is 0.5 centimeters. Just watch out, don't mix centimeters into inches. Centimeters, because this is kids, so we have to watch out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to join the points. After joining the points, I'm going to click the picture to send you all. Here you go, the crotch. And I'll find the center. Lastly, I'll find the center of shoulder and the chest line, which is going to be my armhole. You understand the armhole? This is 1 inch, which is the center. This is the armhole. Armhole means we get this point here, here, to make the another arm of the kid. Here you go. There you go. And I'm going to make the face, which is again little broader, like cute little face. And I will join with the lines. Approximately 1 centimeter, again both the sides on the neckline. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flesh it out. Flesh out matlab, now I'll give it a form of a kid's body. So in this you will get an idea that how I'm going to make it. First thing, ये आप यहाँ तक clear हो पूरा? Is everything clear for everyone? Seema ji, Ridvik, Lakshmi, any doubts about this? I'll take a picture.
एक बार का वापस बताइए ना, लेग्स के जो मेजरमेंट है ना, आई मीन
मैं बताती हूँ आपको.
द नी पार्ट.
हाँ मैं बताती हूँ, एक मिनट मैं इसका फोटो.
या
ओके, सो आई कैन सेंड यू द पिक्चर आल्सो. नी का जो पार्ट है ना, हमें जैसे क्रॉच पे हियर फ्रॉम दिस सेंटर पॉइंट वी वेंट आउट बाय 1.8 सेंटीमीटर्स. दिस साइड आल्सो 1.8 सेंटीमीटर्स. अभी हमने क्या किया है, हम जो लेडीज के पैर बनाते थे वो ऐसे अटैच होते थे. इसमें हम क्या करें, दो सेपरेट बता रहे लेग्स. तो दो सेपरेट लेग मतलब उसके लेग सीधे खड़े हैं, सीधे. तो ये उसकी बोन लाइन है, सेंटर बोन लाइन. तो oh yes, Lakshmi is here again. So yeah, we were talking about the Seema ji were asking how to find out the position of this, ankle, right? So what we do is so what we do is usually for the female figure, what we did, we draw female figure like, we join two legs together like, in same line. But here for the kid or for the male, we show them two legs in such straight position. So in order to do that, what's the procedure is, on the crotch line, what we have done from the center, we went out by 1.8 centimeters, right? So after going out 1.8
Yeah.
centimeter, हम इसका half लेते हैं, and इसका half लेके we draw a straight line on the floor length, which is what it is this line is called the bone line. ये हमें डायरेक्शन देती है. So when we land on the bone line from crotch to the floor lane, we get two straight legs. तो अभी हम इस पे क्या करते हैं, जैसे हमने जब different heads when we draw from the ankle, we went out by 1/4 both the sides, right, on the ankle. And हम floor length पे कितना बाहर गए थे उसमें?
In female
Yes.
rookie, what you asked about? ये
यहाँ
1.5 sorry, half.
Perfect. Half. So यहाँ पे कैसे
Half.
होता है ना, this is a small size, the proportion is very small, तो यहाँ पे हम उतना नहीं जाएंगे, but we will follow the same guideline. So for ankle we are going to go out by 1.5 centimeters. Here it is 0.5 centimeters, and here it is going to be approximately 0.8 centimeters. But this is just a basic structure. Now we are going to flesh this out, and we are going to understand how the kid's flesh version looks like. यहाँ पे मैंने measurements लिखे हैं. I'm going to send this picture to you so that you can refer also. And in this, we have made the same copy of it just to make sure that you understand how to flesh it out. So I'm going to start fleshing it. So very first thing is, as I said, kid's face. We are going to make a nice, cute, chubby kind of a look. Here you go. अभी इनके neckline भी same, little curve because this is a fleshed out little curve. Shoulders ज़्यादा droop नहीं होते. We are not going to make it very like we are not going to carve it. Just nice simple shoulders. अभी इसमें main thing you have to understand is, as I said, the shape of the body for the kid is straight. It's straight. It's not a hourglass like a female. It's not like a male masculine. So we are going to make little like curvy, chubby kind of a shape. You'll see how I'm just follow my the style of illustrating so that you will get it. Now I also said that from waist to crotch we have got a hip in the center. तो अभी kids में क्या होता है ना, they have got like bulge on the hip. So we are going to add this bulge here. Okay, and from my crotch line I'm going to make my knee to the floor length, that line, that curve. So how I'm going to do is, for the kids it's going to be nice bulky. Here you go, same like this side, make it nice bulky. Shape, yeah, same thing for this side also. I'm just adding nice little bulges so that looks cute. There you go. And then I will draw my hands. Same thing for hands. अभी hands में क्या होगा ना? Remember, the elbows are gonna be the center. So now here, how to figure that out? We got our shoulder point here and we got our crotch. So इनका जो half रहेगा ना, that is tentatively gonna be the elbow. So I assume this is my elbow and the half of this is around here between 2 point. It is coming to 1/4. So this is 2/1/4 is the position of the elbow, and I'm going to mark same shape. The shape of the legs remain the same like a hen's. So how the body structure, human body structure flows like this. There you go. Just for the kid, I have made it little bulky. Just add the bulges. जैसे हमने मेंस के लिए मैस्कुलाइन दिखाने के लिए काफी bulges डाले थे वैसे. And here we are going to draw the crotch, which is gonna go here like this. So the shape, look at the shape. It's more like, the bulges plays the good role in the kids one, because it has to be nice, healthy kid. So iske liye, if you, Seema ji, you were
She,
talking, sorry.
sorry, Rishali ma'am, shape of the palms of the baby, does it differ from elders' shape?
Of course,
Yes,
of course, of
yes,
course,
it is,
बेबी के
right?
पाम कैसे होते हैं? बेबी के पाम सॉफ्ट होते हैं, कर्वी होते हैं. So usually हम जब elders में बनाते थे, तो हम कैसे बनाते थे? We used to make like sharp, like this.
Yeah,
और बच्चे में
yeah,
हम कैसे बनाएंगे? कर्व
yeah.
बनाएंगे.
Okay.
So इसमें if I have to make the shape, like, you were asking me कि कैसे बिठेगा. So I will just approximately make the face shape, head. आप में से किसी को इंटरेस्ट है किड्स का डिजाइनिंग करने में?
I am interested. Only
Wow.
girls, boys can.
Only girls. Okay.
Yeah.
Very
बॉयज
good.
का तो रेगुलर होता है, कुछ अच्छा होता ही नहीं.
Actually, girls or boys, kids का कोई भी ले लो, there is a very good scope for the kids wear. There is a good market for the kids wear. So मैं इसकी आंखें एक अप्रॉक्स में आपको आइडिया के लिए मैं इनकी
Okay.
आंखें वगैरह बना के आपको दिखा रही हूँ, so that you will get to know the proportion. हमारा जो अगला सेशन है, in that we are going to learn the access the features of human body.
Yeah.
I'm actually not so good in making kids faces, but I'm just trying. We usually don't make the face, but then you had a question, so I thought let me just show you with the face. I have to use the black sketch pen. Why Lakshmi is so silent? Lakshmi, everything okay with you? Lakshmi, why is she so
Is,
silent today?
is she there?
Yeah, she's there, very much there.
She's not there.
I'm here only, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, okay, she's here.
This approximately I've tried to make the face, but this is because of this color, it's not been seen in that right mood, but this is how it is. Okay, I will do it in a darker shade so that you'll get a good idea. Just moving it more here on this. Main thing is that उनका जो neckline होता है, there is not defined neckline. Just adding the bulges. Are you now guys good with the shape of this? How I'm drawing the legs? आपने practice की है?
No,
क्यों
I'm
नहीं?
trying it.
आपने काफी अच्छा काम किया,
अब
लेकिन मुझे आपके
अभी कर
असाइनमेंट
रही.
भी अच्छे आ रहे हैं.
Thank you.
मुझे सीमा जी से काफी रेगुलर असाइनमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, एंड दैट इज रियली गुड थिंग. दिस इज इट. यू शुड हैव नॉट. So this is how the kids. Let's not see the face, but this is how the kids is like. नेक को कम से कम बनाइए, नेक को मर्ज करना ही बेटर रहता है किड्स में. And this is the structure, this is the main structure of the kids. So इसका मैं आपको measurement भेज रही हूँ. First of all, you have to make sure that you understand this measurement very well, and then only you're going to convert it. Now I'm going to show you the back side, the mechanical first. So can anybody tell me that while making a back side, how the proportion works? कैसे होना चाहिए बैक साइड के लिए proportion? Anyone?
Same as front. Am I?
Correct. That's right. Back side same as front. So again, on the shoulders, I'm going to go out by 2 centimeters. And on the chest, I'm going to go out by 1.5 centimeters. On the waist, I'm going to go out by 1.5 centimeters. Chest and waist remains the same. For the hips, to add the bulges, I'm going to go out by 1.8 centimeters. Again, I'll say that, usually ये जो हमने इस पे follow किया है, you do the freelancing with the pencil, it gives you much better idea while drawing it actually. जो मैं अभी इसमें करूंगी, ये तो हम mechanical बना रहे हैं, but while making this back, I'm going to go directly with the pencil nicely. You can nicely shape the curves. Then we have the center of these two. From the floor length, we go up by half centimeters, both the sides, both the legs, for the ankles. There you go. So I'm just drawing quickly the structure. Just a second. So पहले तो मैं एक बेसिक बना देती हूँ, then you are going to tell me कि हमने जैसे फीमेल और मेल में बैग बनाया था, तो हमने क्या क्या फॉर्मूलेस फॉलो किए थे, so that I can achieve that look of a back, kids back. Same thing is here. I hope you understood by now. From the center of this ankle point, we go out and then we mark it in this way. The center of this. See, I'll tell you. I'm been telling you this again and again. These proportions are possible to understand out of practice, and they are, trust me, very easy. बहुत easy है proportions. Only thing is that it's a matter of practice. More you practice, more you will understand it well. और आपको अभी आगे जाके जो हमें stick figures वगैरह बनाने हैं, उसके लिए I was specifically saying when I started this meeting that you need to know the proportions for 10 head, 10.5 head, because उसके बगैर आपको stick figure का proportion समझना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. So you have to make sure that for the next week session you are completely expert into that. Okay, now let's do this. Can anybody tell me what I have to do first? For the head, what's going to be the first step?
Head. In that head, around. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's going to be inverted.
To give it a back look.
It's going
Yeah,
to be,
sorry.
yeah.
Yeah. To give it a back look, inverted curve.
Correct. So the curve is going to be slightly up. Okay, हमें ज़्यादा ऊपर जाना नहीं है. As I said, kid की neckline, it's not that big, and this is just a 5 years old. So I've got this curve here set. I'm making the face back, head back.
It's blurred, Vrishali ma'am. Your I can't see it a bit. Yeah. That's
Is it
now it's
okay?
okay.
Okay, I'm not going to move it.
Yeah. Now it's okay.
Okay, okay, fine. So this is my head back. So I'm going to stop here for the mechanical. But what I'll be doing now is I'll be converting this into the fleshed here. So I will be having the same structure. Um, I will do it. Usually I ask you to do it, but I will do it again here. So the repeat thing, the shoulder line 114. Here आपको मैंने कम से कम this is the fourth time I'm repeating the measurements just to make sure कि आपको ये proportion ठीक से समझे. The first 0 to 1, 1 is the chin, 114 is the shoulder. Then I get my chest line, which is already here. This is my shoulder, chin, chest. For the armhole, it's between shoulder and the chest line. That's my armhole. There you go. Armhole. This is my waist, crotch, knee. कितना ब्यूटीफुल प्रोपोर्शन है देखो किड्स का. ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेशंस नहीं है ना वुमेन की तरह. सब लोग इतने साइलेंट क्यों है आज? लक्ष्मी, सीमा जी, क्या हुआ? आप इतने शांत क्यों हो? सब
Yes.
आप सब इतने शांत क्यों हो?
No. समझ रहे.
ओह
Actually.
समझो समझो, अच्छी बात है. यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा नीचे जाना चाहिए, हाँ, क्योंकि वो बच्चे का पेट आगे होता है ना. यहाँ पे यू सी, यहाँ पे थोड़ा नीचे जाइए. बच्चे का पेट आगे होता है ना, सो वी नीड टू शो दैट कर्व. ये देखो, अभी बच्चे का पेट ऊपर आ गया. हम करेंगे, दिख रहा है? ये करते हैं.
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. Where is it? Okay, I'm going to draw this quickly and I'm going to show you the back side. Okay, कोई प्रॉब्लम्स है मेजरमेंट समझने में? एनी प्रॉब्लम? Ridvik, why are you so quiet? Say something. Be interactive. मुझे कभी कभी लगता है मैं अपने आप से ही बात करती हूँ. Ridvik, are you getting this? What we are doing? Ridvik?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. You say yes to everything, but I'm not seeing any single assignment from you. नहीं देखा था आपसे, लेकिन मेजर असाइनमेंट्स नहीं आ रहे आपसे. I'm hoping for the really good number of assignments from you. मेल का भी नहीं अब तक भेजा. Even Lakshmi has not sent the mail. मेल फिगर कब भेज रहे हो लक्ष्मी? आपको मैंने फोटो भेज दिए ना?
Ma'am, actually this will give a lot of work. That way I don't have time. Tomorrow I'll send you kids figures and male figures too.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Previous I already sent female figures.
Okay, fine.
Okay, na?
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lakshmi, you talk very sweet. Okay, hold on. Let me just correct this because I've been doing this again and again. This is 1 cent. This is from shoulder. I went out by 2 centimeters. On the chest, I went out by 1.5 centimeters. Here also 1.5 centimeters. On the waist, yeah, that's what I was going wrong. हम ये जो बच्चे का बनाते हैं ना, हम फ्री हैंड बनाते हैं मेजॉरिटी टाइम्स. Then crotch is 1.8, which is somewhere here. Here you go. You already found your armhole. तो armhole बना दो. वो जो हट्टा कट्टा बच्चा होता है ना, हट्टा कट्टा कोई किड होता है, उसे क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग? हट्टा कट्टा ही बोलते हैं ना?
गोलू मोलू. गोलू गोलू.
Yes, गोलू मोलू, correct. That's the right word. मुझे काफी गोलू मोलू बनाने की चाहत थी अभी, लेकिन मैं I'll try my best here. I'm making the back. अभी मैं बच्चे का बैक साइड बना रही हूँ. See the shape ना, ये shape देखो अभी straight जाता है. This goes straight. यहाँ पे थोड़ा हम बल्ज डाल देंगे, लेकिन ये straight जाके it will stop on the knees. Knees से भी straight smooth curve होके will go like nicely curve. ये गोलू मोलू बेबी. This is my Golu Molu baby is getting ready. I will do the hands. आपको समझ में आया ना? बच्चे के हमेशा कर्वी बनाते हैं. हैंड के जो भी स्ट्रक्चर है हमें कर्वी बनाने हैं. हमें आदत हो गई ना वो लेडीज का करके, वी जस्ट स्टार्ट गिविंग कर्व्स. थे कर्व्स मत दीजिए क्योंकि मेरे हाथ काफी कर्वी हो जाते हैं. मुझे like I do very less. I hardly do the kids wear, but I just know the proportion. But whenever I do any drawing ना, मेरे curves आ जाते हैं. I'm a very artistic type of person, so सारे curves में निकल जाते हैं. So now what I will do is, क्योंकि ये बन गए हैं, ये ऐसे लाइंस होते हैं बच्चे के पैर पे पीछे. अभी इसमें बटक्स डालेंगे. So this is the crotch point, right? So crotch point will be the center. जैसे बटक्स देखो मेरा लाइन कैसे बटक्स का बाहर जा रहा है. You see this? Similarly for this also.
Yeah.
Yeah. And बच्चे के यहाँ पे पीछे से ऐसे छोटा सा ये जो बोन होता है ना, एक स्किन दिखता है ऐसे बच्चे को पकड़ते हैं तब, वो वाला. I'm just going to erase the center line. बेबी का बैक साइड.
Hmm.
That's it. So we got our back, younger kid, not the baby, younger kid. We got our mechanical front, mechanical back, the proportion. We got our the look which is fleshed out, and the other one is the fleshed out back. अभी इसमें कोई क्वेश्चन है आपको? लक्ष्मी,
Uh,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
is it looking like a baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it looking like a baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it looking
Yeah.
like a... I had to repeat it twice.
Actually, whatever did, I simply accept those. Because you already have a lot of experience in field, no? We are actually beginners.
So I didn't understand what you're saying. ये नहीं बनाना चाहिए था. ये
Ma'am, it's looking speed only.
No, it's not that. बच्चे के आंखें ऐसे बनती है. I'm just trying to make गोल गोल आंखें. फ्रूट्स का चेहरा होता है. See, like this. Still, it's not that cute. Ridvik, Ridvik,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Ridvik. कैसा बच्चे का बना पाओगे अभी?
हाँ मैम, बना पाऊंगा.
Very good. सीमा जी आप?
yes, it's correct.
नहीं करेक्ट नहीं, आप बना पाओगे या नहीं?
Sorry,
बना पाओगे ना?
try. कोशिश पूरी करूंगी. नहीं हुआ तो आप तो हो ही सिखाने के लिए.
नहीं हुआ तो मैं हूँ ही यहाँ पे. यस, I'll be there for you guys. मैं इसको ना कर्व कर देती हूँ with the darker pen.
Yeah, just share the pics, ma'am, so that
I will do that. I will do that. For sure, I'll do that. मतलब I am very sure by this time now you must be familiar with the shape of the human figure. एक फ्लो होता है बॉडी का. That flow is very important to understand. There you go. That's the kiddo. That's one. जब हम पेंसिल से फास्ट में बनाते हैं ना, so that time I had drawn this one. I'll show you that version also. You see this version? Oh, this big is here again. You see this? So ये जब हम पेंसिल से फास्ट में बना देते हैं ना, विदाउट कैलकुलेटिंग प्रोपोर्शन एंड ऑल, तो हमें ये बहुत अच्छा ग्रिप देता है बनाने के लिए. See a neckline. Same measurements I have followed here. And ये जो belly है ना, इसको थोड़ा नीचे करेंगे तो it will look like a nice belly. That's it. All good? Everybody understood well? Can I share the picture now?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. And I think this call is going to get over in another 5 minutes. But in the meantime, आपको कोई explanation की जरूरत है इसमें और you want to know any proportion, any measurements? You got another 5 minutes so that I can explain you. Any questions, any proportion, any doubts you have? No doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
Lakshmi.
ma'am.
Lakshmi, you have no doubts? That's unaccepted.
Yes, yes, I don't have.
Okay, chalo. I'm sending you the picture. We'll see after. We'll see each other after 4:40 हो गया है ना? 5:55. तब तक, what I
Okay,
want from you is practice this and
okay.
ask me questions. I'm giving you 15 minutes. Practice this and just ask me questions. If you have any questions, shape करने में, measurements में, then we'll clear those doubts. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'm hanging the call and then we shall catch it. Yeah, we shall catch soon. किड्स के जो हाथ होते हैं ना, आपने बाकी सारे प्रोपोर्शंस राइट किए
Yeah,
हैं,
yeah.
सिर्फ हाथों के जो प्रोपोर्शन है ना, हाथों का जो width है, उसे जब आप प्रोपोर्शन करोगे, मतलब कर्विंग करोगे ना उसको, वो ऐसे मोटे मोटे, मतलब ऐसे गड्ढे वाले हाथ होते हैं ना बड़े साइज के, क्यूट हैंड्स होते हैं ना, वैसे बनाओ.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, मतलब वो थोड़ा लेंदी हो गया है क्या? I mean लंबा है क्या वो हाथ?
नहीं, वो स्लिम लग रहे हैं ना अभी, तो उसको विड्थ में थोड़ा
वो-
मोटा मोटा बनाते हैं.
Okay,
मतलब
okay.
हट्टे कट्टे बच्चे कैसे होते हैं, वैसे टाइप का बना सकते हो.
Fine, fine. Okay.
लेट मी सी वेयर अदर पीपल
Anything else?
नो, बाकी मेजरमेंट्स एकदम राइट है. जॉइन, इनको सबको बोल देते हो
Okay.
ज्वाइन करने के लिए. लक्ष्मी, व्हाट इज शी डूइंग? ओके, आई थिंक दे विल बी हियर. अभी आपको 9 हेड और उसमें कोई
So
कंफ्यूजन?
when
हाँ, बोलिए.
no, only the 12 and 12.5, but 10.5 तक I'm completely clearly understood.
वेरी गुड. 12 एंड 12.5 का मैं आपको आइडिया भी देने
Thank
वाली हूँ.
you.
या उसका 12 उसका मैं अभी आइडिया
Yeah.
दूंगी, लेकिन let these people also join because Lakshmi was also asking, because what I want to do is, क्योंकि
Yeah.
किड्स वेयर तो छोटा था, बनाने के लिए जल्दी हो गया, सो आई वांट टू यूटिलाइज दिस टाइम जो हमारे पास अभी another 15-20 मिनट्स है, टू मेक श्योर
हाँ.
कि आपके सारे डाउट्स
And
क्लियर हैं.
yeah, what about girls? उसमें kids का girls का भी क्रूकी बनाएंगे और only the boy?
नहीं, ओनली बॉयज. गर्ल्स का जो है ना सिमिलर ही रहेगा, ओनली ज्यादा कर्व्स हम उसे प्रॉपर कर्विंग करेंगे. ज्यादा कर्विंग करोगे तो गर्ल्स बन जाएगी. प्रोपोर्शन लिटिल बिट सिमिलर ही होता है.
Okay, okay.
ये बेसिक है ना, बेसिक में आपको जस्ट एक मेजरमेंट का आइडिया देने के लिए हमने किड्स इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. यूजुअली किड्स हम नहीं रखने वाले थे, क्योंकि मतलब
Okay.
आगे जाके ऐसा ना हो कि आपको कभी किसी जरूरत पड़ी और आपको बिल्कुल पता नहीं है. मेन चीज आपको जो अपना करिकुलम है, दैट इज मोर अबाउट फीमेल. मेल का भी एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए था
Oh,
और किड्स
yeah.
का भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए है. सो मतलब आगे जाके आपको ऐसा ना लगे कि हमने कभी
Okay.
I'm calling Lakshmi.
Yeah, yeah. That's a
Lakshmi,
good
please
thing.
join.
Yeah.
Password is same 999. The
I'm already trying and
okay, do it.
class is over.
Oh no.
I'll join now, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, join now.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me call Ritvik. This is really funny. I have to call everyone because I don't want anybody to miss this. And as we have a time, so we can actually wait. अभी आपके कोई डाउट्स नहीं है ना
Yeah.
सीमा जी, क्योंकि आगे जाके जो हम करने
It-
वाले हैं ना, वो सारे स्टिक फिगर्स है। स्टिक फिगर्स मतलब हम एक स्टिक मतलब जो अभी बच्चे के लिए हम लोग स्टिक डाल रहे थे ना बीच में, क्रॉस से लेके फ्लोर लेंथ तक, दैट इज कॉल्ड बोन। तो स्टिक्स मतलब बोन्स होते हैं,
ओके।
मूवमेंट्स होते हैं ना बॉडी
नो
के।
मैं बोल रही हूँ ना टिल 10 पॉइंट। हाँ हाँ।
बॉडी के मूवमेंट्स हम लोग स्टिक फिगर से दिखाते हैं। तो हमें अलग अलग जगह पोजेस बनाने हैं तो हम कैसे पोजेस बनाएंगे, ये हमें स्टिक फिगर गाइड करेगा।
ओके। ये एक्चुअली डाउट नहीं है, एक मतलब मेरे को सिर्फ एक सजेशन चाहिए कि जो हम पेपर बना रहे हैं ना, तो हाउ कैन वी मेंटेन दिस, लाइक इट कैन लास्ट फॉर लॉन्ग। कि
व्हाट
पेपर्स है ना, वो इजीली कहीं पे भी, सॉरी, ये पेपर्स पे बना रहे हैं ना, तो ये चीजें लाइक वो पेपर्स क्या बोलते हैं, हैंडल करना थोड़ा सा ये हो रहा है। आई मीन इनको कैसे अच्छी तरह से एक बुक किसी में ऐसे बना के रख सकते हैं क्या?
अभी आप क्या कीजिए, अभी अपने जितने पेपर्स लाए हैं ना अभी उतने यूज कीजिए। और अगर जब एक पाइलअप हो जाता है
हाँ।
ना पेपर का, तो उसको एक स्पाइरल बाइंडिंग कर लीजिए। और स्पाइरल बाइंडिंग करके वो एक आपका बुक हो जाएगा। और आगे जाके ना जब पेपर खत्म हो गए तो आप A3 साइज का
हाँ।
स्पाइरल वाला बुक लीजिए। तो जिसमें क्या होगा, या फिर A3 साइज का ड्राइंग बुक लीजिए जिसमें यही क्वालिटी के पेपर होते हैं, लेकिन वो आपके पास एक बुक की तरह रिकॉर्ड में रहेगा।
ओके वी गेट, अच्छा 80 साइज की बुक्स भी मिलती है क्या?
या A3 साइज के ड्राइंग बुक्स मिलते हैं ना।
ओके
या यू
ओके,
कैन कीप
थैंक यू,
दैट, तो
वही
पेपर्स
क्लियर करना
घूमते
था
नहीं।
एक्चुअली। वो जो, हाँ वही, वो पेपर्स इधर उधर कहीं पे भी मिस हो जाते हैं, तो उससे
या
अच्छा तो बुक हो तो अच्छे से मेंटेन हो जाती है ना।
यस यस यस।
ओके।
नाउ ओके एवरीबॉडी हियर। सीमा जी आप आपका वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हो, मैं भी अपना वीडियो ऑन कर रही हूँ। लेट्स जस्ट सी ईच अदर, इट्स बीन लॉन्ग वी हैवंट सीन ईच अदर। लक्ष्मी,
नो मेरा वीडियो ऑन ही था अभी राइट नाउ।
I would like to see Lakshmi. Okay, Lakshmi is traveling somewhere. Okay, you're with your friends.
She's not seen. Oh yeah, she's seen now.
Oh my God. Actually, my friends, ma'am.
Okay, okay, nice to see them.
And
Yes. Okay. So you can hear me, right? So, I am going to tell you about. You wanted to know about 12 and 12.5 head, right? So मैं आपको एक simple version में बता रही हूँ. I'll pull this out. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay. See, this is 12, 12.5. Sorry, this is 12 head. इसमें क्या किया है ना, एक सिंपल लॉजिक अप्लाई किया है इसमें मैंने। आपको इसमें कितने हेड दिख रहे हैं? दिस इज एक्चुअली फ्रॉम 0 to 12 इंचेस। ये लाइन जो है ना, लास्ट वाली लाइन, ये 12 इंचेस की है। सीमा जी आप अनम्यूट कीजिए। सीमा जी अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Just yeah,
तो ये
yeah, I
12
have done it.
12 हेड मतलब हमें पता है, जैसे 5 हेड मतलब 5 इंच था, वैसे 12 हेड मतलब 12 इंच। तो मैंने 1 से लेके 12 इंच तक मार्किंग की थी। देन व्हाट आई डिड इज,
Yeah.
जो मेरी व्हाइट रेड पेंसिल की जो लाइंस है, पेंसिल की व्हाइट मतलब जो पेंसिल की लाइंस है चाकुल, दोज आर माय टोटल 10, 1 2 3 4 टिल 12। बट जो ये रेड कलर की मार्किंग्स दिख रही है आपको ना, वो रेड कलर की मार्किंग है मेरी। आई हैव डन द डिवीजन ऑफ 12 इंचेस इनटू 10 हेड्स। मतलब 12 इंचेस मतलब कितने होते हैं, 30 सेंटीमीटर्स, करेक्ट। 30 सेंटीमीटर डिवाइड बाय 10 मतलब 3
Yeah.
3 सेंटीमीटर ईच लाइन। सो आई हैव गॉट, सो मैंने कितने हेड्स मिले मुझे, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। I got my 10 heads. So अभी 10 heads के division पे I have drawn my red lines, and for this I will follow the same formula जो 10 head में हमने formula किया था. क्या था हमारा 10 head का formula? 1 inch पे आता है chin, 1.5 पे आता है shoulder, and between chin and shoulder the between line is neckline. फिर shoulder के बाद हमारा आता है 2/4 पे आता है हमारा bust apex, 3/4 पे आता है waist, 4 पे आता है hips, and 4 1/4 पे आता है crotch. Am I right? यही था ना 10 का measurement. और फिर
Yeah.
है floor length, 9 पे आता है आपका ankle, and between 4 and 9 that is 6.5 is our, like the middle of 4 and 9, 6.5 is our knee. So same ये जो 10 head के मैंने लाल लाल बनाए हैं ना नए lines, these 10 heads के line, these are representing 10 heads. इसके बीच में मुझे same formula apply करना है. मैं इसका फोटो आपको भेज देती हूँ, आप समझ जाओगे. बिकॉज सीमा जी यू जस्ट सेड आपको पूरा क्लियर है 9 हेड 10 हेड. तो 10 हेड का फॉर्मूला सिर्फ इसमें रहेगा. ओनली बेसिक है कि 12 को 10 में डिवाइड करो, 12 इंच को 10 हेड में डिवाइड करो.
Okay. Well,
Clear?
okay, ma'am.
Okay, अभी
Yes.
Lakshmi you were saying you had some questions. This is the time you clear the questions, क्योंकि अगले राउंड के लिए I will not be repeating this measurements because अगले राउंड में हम लोग directly we are going to do the features and we are going to learn the stick figures. I want everybody to complete these measurement assignments, especially for the female one, by this weekend or by Monday is our class. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is our class wherein we are going to learn the stick figures. So by Tuesday we are going to learn stick figure. No, Wednesday, sorry. So by Tuesday you have to submit the assignment of the female figures, front back. क्योंकि वो आपका कंफर्म होगा
Sure,
तो
I
ही आप-
submit, ma'am. I already sent you the female figures of 10
yeah,
and
yeah.
10.5 head,
अच्छा,
right? I
whatever
need
you
to submit male ones only.
या whatever you make ना. सीमा जी आपने भी अभी तक मुझे जो फोटो भेजे हैं ना, और लक्ष्मी एंड ऋत्विक, अभी आप
Yeah.
मुझे जो भी आगे भेजोगे ना उसके ऊपर टाइटल लिखो सबमिशन. क्योंकि मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि आप मुझे करेक्शन के लिए
Okay.
भेज रहे हो या सबमिशन के लिए भेज रहे हो. सबमिशन इज समथिंग विच इज अ करेक्ट कॉपी, तो आपके लिए वो करेक्ट कॉपी रहेगी. So write the title submission. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So another 5 minutes. Any questions regarding the assignments? आपको ये सेम चीज करनी है. किड्स का मैकेनिकल फ्रंट बैक, किड्स का फ्लैश्ड आउट फ्रंट बैक, जो हम क्लास में सीखते हैं वही आपको चीजें बनानी है आपके असाइनमेंट में. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू डू द गुड जॉब. फिर बिकॉज आई टेल यू द रीजन. 1 minute, आई शो यू समथिंग. सीमा जी आपने मैस्कुलाइन का क्लास जो हमने मेल फिगर बनाया था उसका क्लास आपने अटेंड किया था लास्ट में? आपने
Half class, ma'am.
यस यस राइट. तो आपने फोटो पूरे नहीं देखे थे ना उसके? दिस वाज द वन वी डिड फॉर द मेल.
No.
सो ये आपको
Okay. It's not clear.
मैस्कुलाइन बनाना है. और मैं आपको ये बताने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि हम लोग जो अभी 10 हेड सीख, अभी हम लोग जो स्टिक फिगर सीखने वाले हैं अगले क्लास में, why I am insisting so much कि measurements familiar हो जाओ. जैसे मुझे कैसे without seeing I can just say कि 10 head में 3/4 is my waist line, 4 is my hip line, 4/4 is the crotch line, 6.5 is my knee line. ये आना चाहिए, सडनली आना चाहिए, क्योंकि उस टाइम आप मेजर नहीं करोगे. मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि आप मेजर करो, आपको सडन सूझना चाहिए उसी टाइम पे. And if you successfully do that, then you will be able to do such kind of figures. ये हमने ये इंटरमीडिएट लेवल का है. इसमें हमने ये वाटर कलर सॉफ्ट पेस्टल से कुछ स्केचेस बनाए हैं. You see this?
Oh wow.
Check this out. ये स्केच पेन ये हमने ड्राई पेस्टल से आज बनाया था.
Wow. It's so pretty.
Check this metallic dress and the gown with the oil pastels. ये सारा अगले लेवल का है, अगले इंटरमीडिएट लेवल का. सो ये मैं इसलिए आपको बता रही हूँ कि अगर
Okay.
आपको प्रपोर्शन आया तो ही आप जाके ऐसे स्टिक फिगर में ऐसे अलग अलग शेप अलग अलग पोजेस बना पाओगे ना. अगर आपको बेसिक ही नहीं आता तो आप पोजेस कैसे बनाओगे? डोंट यू वांट टू मेक पोजेस लाइक दिस? ये पोजेस बनाने के लिए आपको
Yes.
ये पोजेस बनाने के लिए आपको मेजरमेंट अच्छे से याद होने चाहिए, शेप्स ड्रॉ करने अच्छे से आने चाहिए, तब जाके हम ये सब बनाएंगे. This is come out really nice. इसकी डिटेलिंग बहुत अच्छा आए है. This is the oil paint. यहाँ पे काफी अच्छे लाइंस आए हैं. Video is not clear though, but it's come out nice. I want to see such beautiful designs from everyone. And that's it for today. अभी आपको कोई questions वगैरह कुछ doubts? We'll meet on Monday. Or I think we got only 3 sessions left for this level. Monday हमारा होगा accessories.
Yeah.
Sorry, Monday is हमारा features का है. Then Wednesday we have female stick figure, front, back and side view stick figure. And the last session is about male front side views. So that's it. So next week Friday is our last session. We are left with only 3 sessions, so don't miss it, guys. And please do the practice and make sure that you're getting it corrected by me, and so that I can give you my input and I can make sure that you're not doing any wrong things. All right then. It was lovely to meet you, lovely to see you all. I miss your class. This is my favorite class, I would say. Very interactive, but आज पता नहीं काफी लोग शांत थे.
Reason, ma'am, reason for this favorite class?
What?
Lakshmi.
The reason is the interactive.
Reason.
The reason is सीमा जी, you also, because you are very attentive. जो भी मैं सवाल पूछती हूँ उसके जवाब आपके सही आए हैं. अब तक मैंने आपको जितने सवाल पूछे हैं मेजरमेंट को लेके, ट्रस्ट मी आपने बहुत अच्छे से जवाब दिया है, राइट आंसर दिया है. आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ दैट. लक्ष्मी इज ऑल्सो गुड, बट लक्ष्मी ज्यादा करके घूमती रहती है इधर उधर. तो लक्ष्मी जैसे चंचल होती है वैसे हमारी लक्ष्मी भी चंचल है. कभी कॉलेज में रहती है, कभी घर पे रहती है. But she is attentive. And Ridvik is the silent zone, but Ridvik makes sure कि वो अपने assignments करता है. ऋत्विक को काफी जल्दी से चीजें समझ.
Actually, I don't want to miss your classes.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, actually, I don't want to miss your classes.
Okay.
Wherever I am, I simply attend it.
Okay. That's like a compliment. Thank you so much. And I'm glad that you guys are enjoying and हमें बहुत आगे जाना है. So let's hope for the best and I say you goodbye on this note.